Hey, fellow athletic directors and Lanier Land Committee. I wanted to just talk to you about our current proposal that we've had with our new updated bracket and how we're going to be splitting sites on day 1 and day 2 of Lanier Land. Obviously, being that we are the lower seed, we are willing to concede that North Hall will be able to host on their site, and our thought is that the bottom bracket would be hosted by North Hall, and that the top bracket would be hosted by East Hall. And so in the first round, in the boys and girls, we are the lower seeds, so North Hall will just host our teams, and we will host the teams up here. Then on the next day, again, we will host the teams up here. North Hall will host the teams up down here, except for one caveat. Let's say we were to lose this game here. Our thought would be that we would just switch somebody from the top bracket down to the bottom bracket, so that way we would be able to host our current teams. And obviously, yes, we know that we would have to make sure parents are aware of this switch and make sure that it is announced ahead of time that game sites will be determined on the next day. So again, first day, we understand we lost, we're the lower seed, so we would North Hall would just host these schools, and we would host the top schools. Then the next round, again, we will host the top and North Hall will host the bottom, except we would switch one game for wherever our teams belong. That way East Hall gets to host our teams. And obviously the final round, Gainesville will host the final. Let me know your thoughts and appreciate your time.